What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. If you're a restaurant owner or manager, you know how crucial it is to have the right tools to streamline your operations, enhance customer experience, and ultimately boost your bottom line. That's why I'm super excited to share with you an incredible solution that's been making waves in the hospitality industry, the Restaurant POS -5 Station Bundle W/Kitchen Printer. This comprehensive package is designed to revolutionize the way you manage your restaurant, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on its amazing features and benefits. First off, let's talk about the software. This is not just any ordinary point-of-sale system. It's a traditional terminal-based application that's tailored to meet the specific needs of various types of restaurants, including bars, nightclubs, fine dining establishments, quick-service restaurants, fast casual eateries, drive-thrus, pizzerias, and delivery services. Whether you're running a small cafe or a large chain of restaurants, this software has got you covered. It's incredibly versatile, intuitive, and easy to use, allowing your staff to focus on what matters most, providing exceptional customer service. Now, let's dive into one of the most impressive aspects of this bundle: the menu build, installation, and on-site training. Imagine having a team of experts come to your restaurant, set up the entire system, and train your staff on how to use it, all in one day. That's exactly what you get with this package. The menu build feature allows you to easily create and manage your menus, including pricing, inventory, and nutritional information. The on-site installation ensures that everything is up and running smoothly, and the training session guarantees that your team is confident and proficient in using the system. This level of support is unparalleled in the industry, and it's a huge bonus for busy restaurant owners who don't have the time or resources to deal with complicated setups and training. Another key feature that sets this bundle apart is the 4-year warranty on all hardware. Let's face it, restaurant equipment can be prone to wear and tear, and having a reliable warranty can be a lifesaver. With this package, you can have peace of mind knowing that your hardware is protected against defects and malfunctions for an extended period. This not only saves you money on repairs and replacements, but also ensures that your operations run smoothly and efficiently. Plus, the kitchen printer that comes with the bundle is designed to withstand the high demands of a busy restaurant kitchen, printing out orders quickly and accurately. As I've been exploring this Restaurant POS -5 Station Bundle, I've been blown away by its potential to transform the way restaurants operate. From streamlining orders and inventory management to enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty, this system has it all. And the best part? You don't even need to worry about credit card processing. It's not required. So, whether you're a seasoned restaurant owner or just starting out, this bundle is an investment that's sure to pay off in the long run. In conclusion, the Restaurant POS -5 Station Bundle W/Kitchen Printer is an absolute game-changer for the hospitality industry. With its powerful software, comprehensive support, and robust hardware, it's the perfect solution for restaurants of all shapes and sizes. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to learn more about this incredible bundle and take the first step towards revolutionizing your restaurant's operations. Trust me, your customers and your bottom line will thank you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your restaurant to the next level. Get ready to experience the future of restaurant